The furnace isn't running, so we're going to take the top door off and take a peek what's wrong with it. There we go. Look at this. Lots of flies in there. They're all getting in with the air intake. So this furnace actually isn't powering up. So I'm going to see what's going on with it. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up some stuff, try to get this guy's furnace going. Okay guys, so again this unit was not operating prior to arrival. So when I fired it up, I was getting this burner here lighting, but I wasn't getting the flame traveling across to where a flame sensor is. So that's where the failure was taking place. If this flame can't travel across your burners and satisfy that flame sensor, well, we're not going to be rocking and rolling. So now that I've cleaned up the burners, as you guys just seen, this is our high heat mode. We'll be at twice the gas pressure going in. You're noticing a ton of orange. I don't like seeing the orange like this, but it's a very dusty environment. So I'm going to clean this up. By the time I get everything finished, those orange flames should be nice and blue. For his furnace, it just did light up, and as you guys can see, look at how nice and blue our flames are. We've got none of that orange. High heat just kicked in, so because we're doubling up the gas pressure, you're going to notice that a little bit of orange taking in, but that's just from the dust in the furnace room here. 100% normal. I like the characteristics I'm seeing of these flames. I got no flames shooting out at me. If they do shoot out, there are little devices up in here called flame rollouts. They'll detect the flame and they're going to turn off the gas valve so that the stuff doesn't catch fire. Take care, people. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch up next time. Bye-bye.